Tyler with HBR. We're here with our 26 Cayman Crush from BounceWave. We're here to leave a review. Let's get started. My favorite thing about this is how wide the stairs are. Look at this. I mean, even the big boy can get on here. I mean, it's just unreal. You've got handles all the way up. Even when you get to the very top up there, there's a handle to pull yourself on up. Another thing that we like, how high our sides are right here. We don't have to worry about people falling off, coming off the end of it. You got your bumper on the end. This is your inflated pool. All right. Now our size, this is a 26 foot. We've set it up beside several other companies. This one is actually true to size. Your platform height is taller than most of your other companies. We also think that the way that they build these things is just unmatched. Your vinyl material is just sturdy, beautiful vinyl, attracting colors. We have 8 units from BounceWave now, working on 9. We just want to give a big shout out to Chris at BounceWave. Impeccable customer service.